How to connect Exness to MetaTrader 5. In this video, I will show you how you can easily connect your Exness account to your MetaTrader 5 account. So first things first, if you don't already have an Exness account, just head over to exness.com right here and click on register right here. Now you just have to enter your email, create a password, and follow the prompts to verify your profile. You also select your preferred account type, trading currency, and leverage. Now after signing in, you will be able to see your Exness dashboard. Now, after seeing your My Accounts, if you haven't created a MetaTrader account yet, you just have to click on Open Account right here and choose whether you want a standard sent, or any kind or account type that you want. So you just have to hit on Continue after doing all of those things. And make sure that the platform that you have is MT5 or MetaTrader 5. Now, I already have an account like this one, so I will be using that. So, this is my MetaTrader 5 account. Now, once your MetaTrader 5 account appears on your dashboard, you just have to click on these three dots right here and click on Account Information. So, you have to remember these things: your login number, server name, and your trading password. So, your server name is right here. So, you just have to copy that and then go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and search for MetaTrader 5. You just have to install that, and once it's installed, you just have to click on Open and click on Add Trading Account right here. Now, click on the search bar and type in your Exness account or Exness server name, or just paste what we have copied. So after pasting that, you just have to click on the first thing that will pop up, and then you just have to enter your login number, trading password, and confirm the correct server. Then you just have to tap on login right here. You just have to wait for a few seconds and you're connected. You'll see your account balance, the live charts, and market prices should start loading right away. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. If you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.